So I have the Google Pixel 8, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to take live photos with this phone. Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is launch the camera app and then tap on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. And under photo settings, as long as general tab is selected, you should see Top Shot. So Top Shot is basically live mode or live photos on the Pixel. It's currently turned off, so you can choose either auto, so the phone can decide when to take live photos and when not to. And also you can choose on, which basically means your phone will always take live photos. Okay, now this will not be able to be, you'll not be able to enable this when you have the 50 megapixel photos enabled or you have RAW. Okay, so you have to make sure RAW is disabled, the RAW format, and also this has to be set to 12 megapixels for you to be able to enable the Top Shot, which is the live photo. So with that enabled, you can now just take a photo like that, and now when you look at the photo, it should be a live photo, as you can see. Now, if you want to check the different frames in that photo, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and you can see shots in this photo, and you can see all the different frames that are taken in that live photo. Okay, so you can choose any and tap on save copy. So that's basically how to take live photos on your Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.